Welcome! This video will guide you quick and easy installation of your pleated mesh fly screen systems. While methods may vary depending upon existing window or door frames and configurations, these instructions will explain the most common application methods. Open the box of the kit. Take the width and height measurements of the window. Specify dimensions for reduction and mark on the profiles. Cut the mesh body and side rail according to the dimensions marked for the height, then top guide and bottom rail according to dimensions marked for the width. The cutting shall be done only from the top side of the system. Please pay attention on not cutting the cord. Insert the corner plastics according to the schema you can find in the Technical Specifications Guide to the profiles by the help of a plastic hammer, and continue with the suitable corner plastic caps. The smooth movement of the system is maintained by the cords. For this reason, make sure that the cords are parallel to each other. The big cord courier has to be slid on the top and on the bottom of the side profile. The small tensioner has to be tensioned on the opposite direction and fixed by using the set screws. The system works hard when we increase the tension and works smoother when we loosen the tension of the cords. Fix the system by screwing the holes on the corner plastics to the wall or the frames and close the caps firmly. Control the system. If the system is not working smoothly, then change the tension of the cords by using your hexagonal key. That's it! Your pleated mesh system is ready to use.